Today I am reviewing the MIRKOO Backup Alarm. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. I have recently integrated the MIRKOO Backup Alarm into my heavy-duty vehicle setup, and after putting it through its paces in various working conditions, I can confidently say that it is an essential safety upgrade for anyone operating larger vehicles or industrial equipment. When you are managing a truck, a van, or a freight vehicle, the blind spots are a constant concern, and having a reliable, high-decibel warning system is not just a convenience, it is a critical safety requirement for protecting both pedestrians and property. The first thing that genuinely impressed me about this MIRKOO alarm is the sheer power of the sound. At 110 decibels, it produces a piercing, consistent beeper tone that is impossible to ignore. In a busy construction zone or a loud loading dock, lower-quality alarms often get drowned out by engine noise or ambient machinery, but this unit cuts right through the chaos. The frequency of the beep is specifically tuned to grab attention immediately, ensuring that anyone behind the vehicle is alerted the second you shift into reverse. Even with the windows rolled up and the radio on, people in the vicinity will hear this alarm clearly, which provides a massive amount of peace of mind during those tricky reversing maneuvers. Build quality is another area where this product shines. It feels incredibly solid and rugged in the hand, which is exactly what you want for an industrial-grade component. The housing is designed to be waterproof and highly durable, which is vital because these units are often exposed to the harshest elements under the chassis of a truck. Whether you are dealing with torrential rain, mud, or extreme temperature fluctuations, the MIRKOO alarm holds up without any degradation in sound quality. I have used it in high humidity environments and freezing cold mornings, and has triggered perfectly every single time without hesitation. The manufacturer clearly used premium materials to ensure that this is a long-term investment rather than a cheap plastic replacement. The installation process was refreshingly straightforward, even for someone who might not be a professional auto electrician. Because it features a universal fit design for 12 to 80 volt direct current systems, it is incredibly versatile. I found that I only needed to splice one wire to the positive terminal of my reverse lights and another to the ground. The fact that the device automatically adjusts to the voltage of your vehicle makes it a true plug-and-play solution for everything from a standard car or SUV to a massive lorry or freight truck. There was no need for complex converters or specialized mounting brackets, as the integrated housing allows for a secure fit on almost any flat surface near the rear of the vehicle. Another aspect worth mentioning is the low current draw. Despite the high decibel output, the alarm does not put a significant strain on the vehicle's electrical system. This efficiency is a testament to the internal engineering and helps contribute to the long lifespan that MIRKOO promises. It is rare to find a heavy-duty industrial component that is this effective while remaining so simple to maintain. In summary, the MIRKOO Backup Alarm is a top-tier choice for anyone who prioritizes safety and reliability. It is loud, durable, and exceptionally easy to install across a wide range of vehicle types. It has transformed the way I feel about reversing in tight, high-traffic areas because I know for a fact that my presence is being broadcast clearly to everyone around me. If you're looking for a heavy-duty warning system that can survive the rigors of professional use while delivering a consistent, super loud tone, this is undoubtedly the product to get. It is a small investment that offers a massive return in terms of safety and professional liability protection.